What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, I feel like I gotta get a new intro, but in today's video, we're gonna be working with one of my top 5 favorite companies. It's your girl, Unice, whatever you want to call it. No. But today I'm going to be working with Unice. They sent me a 26-inch bust down. Nah. They sent me a 26-inch burgundy hair. Listen, I'm ready for fall. Like, look at me. This hair is so freaking silky, smooth, long. In this video, I did something different, which I usually don't do. I did 2 looks in this video. The first look is gonna be a half up, half down with the natural state of the body wave, because this was body wave hair, y'all. I left the hair in this natural state and I did a half up, half down. And then for the second look, this is the middle side part. The side part bust down. Listen, y'all, Unice is not playing no games. And this wig cap also comes with an adjustable band. I just love how these companies are just making it so easy to do glueless wigs, y'all. If I wanted to, this wig could have been glueless, but the look I was going for, baby, I needed this to be melted. Y'all better stop sleeping on Unice. Like, I love their hair. I swear, anytime somebody asks me, I always say Unice. So, like I said, this is 26 inches. 26 inches always come down past my butt, y'all. I'm 5 feet. Like, I wish I could show you guys how long it is. It comes down, let me see. Unice comes all the way down past my butt, like, literally. So, this hair is really giving, like, it's really giving fall. It's screaming Ugg boots right now. Like, I want to go put on a sweatsuit with my Ugg boots and go outside, because I love this hair. Like I said, this is burgundy hair. I love this look. I love Unice. I love everything about them. And they sent me this bomb behind brush, y'all. This is metal. Like, I love this brush. Unice is just fire. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. If you guys are interested on how I got this exact look, continue watching. Also, if you're interested in the same exact wig, the link will be down below. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.